Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a quick cake. Now, for this one you do not need an oven, you do not need butter, and you do not need an egg. Crazy, right? Nope. Okay, so here's what you're going to need. You're going to need, well, first of all, you're going to need a bowl, a good big bowl, a fork, any old fork, and a little spatula. Preferably rubber and preferably like this shape. And then what you're going to need is you're going to need some flour. Oops. Okay. You're going to need some sugar. Mine is in a cup right now. Let's see, that's sugar. Then you're going to need a little bit of baking powder, just literally a little bit. And then you're going to need some vanilla. There you go. Okay. And then you're going to need some pure canola oil. Now make sure you have a lot of that because you're going to need about 3 tablespoons. Okay, so let's begin. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to get, you're also going to need a little measuring thing and something to microwave it in. And you're also going to need some little molds. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to get our measuring thing, and the big side, that's tablespoons, this side is teaspoons. So we're going to get 8 tablespoons of flour. So get your flour. We're going to get 8 tablespoons. And rounded, this is rounded. You see how it's like not flat on the top? That's what you're going to use. So you're going to get 1, 2, 3. Trying to do this quick so that. Now, if we don't have enough time, this will be a 2-part video. 3, 4. 5. 6. 7. Now you can put either 7 rounded or 8 flat. Either one will do. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to get 4 tablespoons of sugar. So once again, we're going to use the big side, but we're going to get sugar and get 4 tablespoons of that. Preferably flat, but if you want like your cake sweet, then you can put rounded sugar. 4. Okay, go. That's 4. Now we're going to get half a tablespoon of baking powder. So we're going to get our baking powder and our half tablespoon, our tablespoon, this is the tablespoon. And then open that up. You're going to get this. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to get half. See it like that, just half. That's literally all you need. Okay. Now, next thing is you're gonna stir it all up. So you can either use a fork or a side of your thing. What I'm gonna use is this thing. It's like a little spatula with a little thing. Not really sure what it is, but you know. Just gotta make sure that's clean. Okay. Now we're just gonna get our bowl and just stir it all up. Now, since the sugar is smooth and the flour is kind of bumpy, you're gonna mix it all up until all of it is bumpy. Not just the top, like literally all of it is bumpy. Okay, there you go. And okay. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get our vanilla, and we're gonna get our teaspoon side. Just gonna put some in there. There we go. I like vanilla a lot, so I'm gonna put 2 teaspoons, I'm sorry, like that. Okay. And then what we're gonna do is gonna get 3 tablespoons of oil. 3 tablespoons, so that means the big ones. Just gonna use all I have. Hold up. Get some more. Okay. Just gonna need, oops. We're gonna need a lot of canola oil. And the next thing you're gonna add is 10 tablespoons, that's a big one, of water. Okay. Okay. The best thing to do for this step is, oh, hold on. The best thing to do for this step is you get a cup like this, you fill it to the top with water, tap water preferably. Then you're just going to get your tablespoon measure. You're going to put 10 tablespoons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and make sure you fill the tablespoon thing to the top. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. The rest of the water you could just dump back out. Okay, now the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna mix that all nice and good until it's like a battery texture. Okay, so I'm gonna stop the video here, and part 2 will be the results after I mix it and what we're gonna do after that. Okay, watch part 2.